Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about can't turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone on iOS 26 and how we can do it. So if you're having the trouble with this, whenever you're trying to turn off your stolen device protection, if you feel like it's not turning off, this is what you have to do. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Face ID and passcode. Just type your respective passcode, right? So once you give this, you have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the stolen device protection. As you can see, this is turned on. So if I try to turn it off, it might ask you something like this. Give your Face ID. This is very important. And right now it is asking you for a timer. So this particular timer is very important. So you have to go for start security delay. So Ample is going to take you around 1 hour for that. So after you turn on the start security delay, just wait for 1 hour and you come back over here and you have to check. This is a basic step. If that is not working, what you need to do is you have to make sure that your location is enabled. So that reason you have to go over here, tap on the privacy and security. From here you have to tap on the location and services. You have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the system service. Now from here you have to scroll it down, and what you need to do is there is an option called significant location and routes. You have to tap on it. And make sure while doing this also you have to give a Face ID over here. So just give your Face ID and make sure this is turned on. If it is turned off, that is the reason, so just make sure this. After trying with this, turning on the location and services here, the next one is all about make sure that you're on the latest version of software. So to do this, you have to go over here, tap on the general. From here go to the software update and check whether you have any kind of pending updates and all those things. So if you have it, that is the reason, so just try updating to the latest update as well. So if you're having anything, you can just try with the latest update and you have to check. And also parallelly try connecting to a secured network, which means if I go over here, as you can see, I'm already connected to a Wi-Fi. So try connecting to a Wi-Fi and make sure that it's a secured one as well. After trying all these things, still if you're having the trouble, we just need to do a reset on the location and the network of your computer, on your iPhone. So to do so, you have to go over here, settings. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here you have to scroll it down all the way down. There is an option called transfer and tap on the reset. And now we have an option here called reset. Over here you can see there is an option called reset location and privacy. You have to go for it, and after doing this, most probably you can check with it, and this is going to fix the issue. So these are some of the workarounds that you need to try in order to fix the issue, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.